Right at this very second as you view this, the tectonic plates of the global supply chain are quietly grinding together. I'm not talking about some distant, future event. I'm talking about what is happening in distribution centers this week. I've been analyzing wholesale metrics and tracking the depletion of bulk inventory. Here is the reality most people ignore. The most effective preparedness minds aren't hoarding tactical vests or overpriced survival rations. They are aggressively acquiring the dull everyday staples, while the cost is low and the shelves are full. Because 2026 isn't going to bring a cinematic explosion, it's going to bring a slow suffocation. We are looking at compounding inflation, fractured logistics, and sudden localized scarcity. So today I am handing you a blueprint of 25 assets you need to stack deep immediately. I'm not here to monger fear, I'm here to give you practical, tangible assets that save you a fortune and offer absolute security. Keep your eyes peeled for item number 17. It's not food or a drug, but in a grid-down scenario, it holds more trading power than silver. Stick with me, let's get to work. Listen, I understand the fatigue. You hear rice and beans constantly, but there is a tier of bulk acquisition that amateurs overlook. These are commodities that cost pennies now, but solve life or death problems when the system hiccups. Last year I audited my own stockpile, compared wholesale sourcing against retail markup, and ran the math. The result: I kept over $1,800 in my pocket, not by buying gadgets but by buying smart. Here is the breakdown of the 25 essentials, and by the time we hit that mystery item at 17, you'll see why the Larwa Survivor community stays ahead of the curve. Number 1, white vinegar. Forget the apple cider or balsamic varieties, you want plain distilled white vinegar. You can grab a gallon for roughly $3 at warehouse clubs. This fluid is a chemical multitool. It preserves your garden harvest, sanitizes your home without toxic fumes, disinfects surfaces during viral outbreaks, and neutralizes odors. It even treats biological irritants like jellyfish stings. When cleaning supplies vanished in 2025, those holding bulk vinegar kept their environments sterile while everyone else panicked. By the case, it never expires. 5 gallons takes up less room than a 12th pack of soda, but offers infinite utility. Number 2, baking soda. This powder is the unsung hero of survival. A 25-pound sack runs about $1.18 from bulk suppliers like Azure Standard. Buying that same volume in little retail boxes would cost you $100. It acts as an antacid for stress-induced stomach issues, extinguishes grease fires, instantly scrubs teeth and cleans cookware. It can even neutralize acidity in water sources. We learned from the East Palestine disaster that immediate access to decontamination agents is critical. Seal it up airtight and it stays good forever. For $20 you get a fire extinguisher, a medical kit, and a cleaning service. Number 3, iodized salt. Skip the gourmet sea salt. You need plain iodized table salt. A 50-pound bag is about 12 at restaurant supply depots. Your thyroid demands iodine to function. Without it, your immunity crashes and your energy tanks. Most survival food, wheat, rice, beans, has 0 iodine. If you go months on stored food without this, you'll jeopardize your health. Salt is the original preservative and the ultimate flavor enhancer. Keep it dry in the original packaging, and it will outlast you. Number 4, dried pasta, specifically white flour pasta. A 20-pound carton is roughly $15. Avoid whole grain options as the oils in them spoil quickly. White pasta stored correctly gives you 3 to 5 years of shelf life. This is rapid deployment energy. When you are exhausted and fuel is scarce, pasta is your best ally. Boiling water in 10 minutes gets you a hot meal. Mix it with anything: canned veggies, oils, dried cheese, and you have comfort food when the world feels chaotic. Number 5, white rice. Long grain white rice is the standard. A 25-pound sack is around $12. If you seal this in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, it remains edible for 30 years. Brown rice is a liability. It goes rancid in under a year. White rice is pure, stable starch. 1 cup dry yields 3 cups cooked, feeding a crowd efficiently. It is the caloric baseline for half the planet for a reason. Adaptable, filling, and cheap. Aim for 50 to 100 pounds per person. Number 6, dried beans. Pintos, blacks, kidneys. Diversity is key. You're looking at 20s for 25 pounds. Like rice, these are a 30-year asset when packed correctly. Beans are your primary protein and fiber source when meat is off the table. Soak them, slow cook them, and you have the foundation for soups and stews. Learn to prepare them now, not during a blackout. Combined with rice, you have a complete nutritional profile. Number 7, oats. Old-fashioned rolled oats are the target here. A bulk 25-pound bag is 18. In an airtight bucket these last a decade. Oats are more than breakfast. Grind them into oat flour, bulk up meat dishes, or make energy bars. They even soothe skin rashes. They require very little fuel to prepare, and provide warm comfort during cold snaps. Number 8. Honey. Get it raw and unfiltered. A 5-pound jar is about 25. This is the only food that literally never spoils. Edible honey has been pulled from ancient tombs. It is instant glucose energy, a natural antibiotic for wounds and a throat soother. Store it at room temp. If it crystallizes, warm it up. It's nature's perfect survival food. Number 9. Canned tomatoes, diced whole or crushed. A case of 12 runs 12 to 18. The acidity preserves them for 2 to 5 years. This is your flavor infrastructure. It turns bland survival rations into chili curries and pasta sauces. Morale matters, and tomatoes provide the base for the meals your family actually enjoys. Number 10. Peanut butter. Stick to the commercial shelf. Stable brands. Natural types separate and spoil. A 40-ounce jar is 6th unopened. It's good for 2 years. This is a jar of dense fats and proteins that needs zero cooking. It's the ultimate Depression-era fuel. When you are running on empty, a spoonful gives you an immediate reboot. Number 11. Canned meats, chicken, tuna, sardines, Spam. Buying the case slashes the price by 30%. These tins last 3 to 5 years. Fresh meat relies on the grid. Canned meat relies on a can opener. It's instant protein for casseroles or soups. Sardines specifically are a nutritional powerhouse. If you can acquire the taste, this solves the protein deficit elegantly. Number 12. Powdered milk. You want non-fat dry milk. A 4-pound bag is 15 and yields 5 gallons sealed up. This is a 20-year asset. Dairy offers vitamin D and calcium, which are hard to find in a collapse. Use it for baking creamy soups or drink it straight. It's the only way to guarantee dairy access long-term. Number 13. Cooking oil. Coconut oil is the undisputed champion here. Vegetable oils turn rancid in months. Coconut oil stays stable for years. A gallon is 30 Your brain and body require dietary fat to function. Use it to fry, bake, or even as a skin moisturizer. Keep it cool and dark. Number 14. Spices and herbs. Garlic powder, cumin, chili, cinnamon. Buy these by the pound from restaurant suppliers, not the tiny jars at the grocery store. A pound of garlic powder is 8. Spices are the difference between rations and dinner. Eating unseasoned rice for a month will break your spirit. Spices are cheap insurance for your mental health. Number 15. Bouillon cubes or powdered chicken and beef. A large container is under Wa 10. These are salt heavy, so they last for years. With bouillon, you can transform hot water and scraps into a nourishing soup. It's crucial for hydration and comfort during sickness. Number 16. Coffee or tea. Whatever your caffeine of choice is, instant coffee can last 25 years. Tea bags last about 2. This isn't a luxury, it's a psychological anchor. Maintaining a morning ritual provides a sense of normalcy when chaos reigns, plus the caffeine keeps you alert when mistakes can be dangerous. Number 17. Toilet paper. This is the one people underestimate until the shelves are bare. We all remember 2020. A case of 48 rolls is 25. It lasts indefinitely if kept dry. You cannot easily manufacture a substitute for this. Having a year's supply means you never have to fight a mob for hygiene. It's not hoarding, it's civilized planning. Number 18. Bar soap, plain unscented glycerin bars. A wholesale case of 96 brings the cost down to 40 cents a bar. Retail is 5 times that. Liquid soap degrades, bar soap is eternal. Hygiene is your first line of defense against infection. In disaster zones, those with soap stay healthy. Stack it like bricks. Number 19. Bleach, standard unscented laundry bleach. A gallon is 4. The catch is it loses potency after 6 months, so you must rotate it. Use the old stuff for cleaning. Keep the fresh stuff for water purification. A few drops can make questionable water safe. It is critical sanitation in a bottle. Number 20. Batteries, alkaline AAA, C, and D. Bulk packs cut the cost in half. They hold a charge for a decade. Your flashlights, radios, and medical gear depend on these. When the grid goes down, batteries become currency. Rotate your stock and keep the lights on. Number 20. One fire starters, matches, and lighters. A box of Strike. Anywhere matches is cheap. Bulk lighters are even better. Cold kills faster than hunger. Fire gives you warmth, cooked food, and boiled water. Store matches in waterproof containers. This is non-negotiable. Number 20. 2 OTC medications, ibuprofen, antihistamines, anti-diarrheals. Buy generic in bulk. A bottle of 500 ibuprofen is a 10. These remain effective years past their printed dates. You cannot call a doctor in a crisis. You need to be your own first responder. This is your home clinic. Number 23 multivitamins, a generic daily vitamin, 300 count for 15. Your stored food will lack fresh nutrients. These tablets bridge that gap and prevent deficiencies. It's pennies a day for nutritional safeguards. Number 24 heavy-duty foil and plastic wrap. Get the restaurant-grade rolls. 1,000 feet of foil is a 50D. These are survival materials, cooking vessels, wound covers, insulation and water collection. They are multi-use tools disguised as kitchenware. Number 20, 5 gallon buckets, food grade with gamma seal lids. This is the infrastructure of your stockpile. Transfer your rice and beans into these, with oxygen absorbers to unlock that multi-decade shelf life. They stack, they protect, and in a pinch, they serve as seats or sanitation buckets. Now a warning from the Larwa Survivar archives. Bulk buying is useless if you store it poorly. I learned this the hard way. Losing 50 pounds of rice to moisture on a basement floor, heat and humidity are the enemy. Every 10-degree spike in temperature slashes shelf life in half. Keep your assets cool, dark, and off the concrete. Use pallets or shelves. Treat this inventory with respect. I know this list can feel like a mountain to climb, specifically regarding the cost. That is why I built a specific tool to help you start without draining your bank account. It's a completely free guide titled The 50 Fortification. It outlines how to secure a 90-day food supply, starting with just a $50 bill. It breaks down the exact shopping list and strategy, even for small apartments. The link is in the description. Go get it. Let's look at the ROI here. Last year, by shifting to bulk baking soda, soap, and beans, I saved my household $1,800. We aren't buying bunker food we hate. We are buying groceries we use just at 2019 prices. This protects you from the real threats of 2026, inflation, job loss, and unexpected bills. When you have a pantry full of paid-for food, you are immune to price shocks. You are buying freedom. Here is your mission. Do not try to buy all 25 items today. Pick 3, just 3. Find a local restaurant supply or a co-op like Azure Standard and secure those 3 assets. Next month, do it again. Consistency builds a fortress. If this breakdown gave you a new perspective on preparedness, smash that like button to help the algorithm wake others up. Subscribe to Laras Urvivar so you don't miss our deep dive into the hidden shortages coming down the pipe. Tell me in the comments which item you are grabbing first. I want to know. Stay capable, stay stocked, and remember, we prepare so we don't have to panic. Grab that free guide below, and I'll see you in the next one.